Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I am going to show y'all something that I find brilliant. Um, I know you've all been seeing videos of everyone posting about FEELOOK Art's sticky, the glue quality, how sticky their canvases are. Well, I do want to show y'all something. Now, I just started this canvas last night, okay? And I am doing Pink Blooms, which is a 60 by 80, and this is round. Now, this has got ABs, this has got crystals in it. It's just an all-around gorgeous canvas, and I have been wanting to start this for like forever. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna start it tonight, which was last night, and because I got finished with my event stuff that I was doing, and I thought, well, I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna do the glue test. And you know, I know the quality of these canvases are primo, okay? I love FEELOOK Art. I have not gotten anything at all from them that was not great, okay? And I'm talking canvas, I'm talking drill field quality, I'm talking drill quality, I'm talking the glue quality, okay? Everything about this company is exceptional. Their prices are even phenomenal, okay? So here is what I'm saying to you. Okay, I am a glue dot user. I use alien putty in my multiplacers, okay, which is really sticky for it to be putty. And then I use glue dots in my single placer. I have been using glue dots for years. I love it. But if you use glue dots, you know that you have got to get the glue dot kind of mucked up. And what I mean by muck up is you kind of got to get it a little dirty, whether it's using your skin, you know, the oils on your skin, you just tap it onto your skin a little bit, or your shirt even. I'm bad about that. I'll just take it and bloop bloop on my shirt a couple times. Might even put it on my shirt and twist it just to get the glue dot to where it's not so sticky. But a glue dot will last me this whole entire canvas, unless the drills are dirty. But there's only one company that I have ever come across that I've had to deal with that, and it's not FEELOOK Art. So we know if you use a glue dot, you know the struggle of a brand new glue dot, of putting your drill down and then you pull your pin up and the drill comes back with your pin, because the glue dot is way too strong. It's stronger than the glue on the canvas. Y'all, like I said, I just started this canvas last night. You see what I have done. I did, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. 4 colors on this little, I don't even know, whatever the size this was. I think it's a 4x4. So not much. So here's what we're gonna do. I was kind of, you know, I was doing this and I was going over my head last night, you know, what can I do to do a little tutorial on showing how strong FEELOOK's glue is. And then I'm sitting there, I'm going, oh my God, I'm sitting here using a glue dot and it's not affecting nothing. Okay, so here's how you know that FEELOOK Art's glue is absolutely phenomenal. Brand new glue dot. Y'all, I have not mucked this up at all. I've only done 4 colors. So, look. This is a T. Look. You see that? the glue pulled the glue dot, or the drill, off my glue dot. I'm going to do it again. Okay? Do y'all see this? The drill's not coming back with my glue dot. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, that was my fault. So yeah, absolutely amazing. Sorry, I had to pause. My husband come in and the boys was getting ready to start barking. Anyway, all right. So yeah, so that is how, and I'm going to use the alien putty. And I think this is, oh my gosh, I don't even remember. I mean, it just pulls the drills right off of everything. This is like really, really good quality glue. Absolutely wonderful. And I like I said, I have not had any bad issues with FEELOOK ART at all. And I've been you know, reviewing their canvases for a little while. So absolutely 100% great quality in everything. But their glue is like really sticky, like really sticky. Even my release papers, I mean, it's like really good quality. So y'all, check my description box for a link for this canvas and my discount code. And I'm not, you know, I didn't do this video so that I could get, you know, you could use my discount code or nothing. I'm just saying, it's in there if you want it. But exceptionally good stick when it comes to their glue. Overall, great company. Please go check them out. And thank you for watching. And thank you to FEELOOK ART for having such great quality canvases at a great price. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Till my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.